Assalamu alaikum dear friends, I am Syed Kashif Mahmood. In this video I will teach you how to write on a whiteboard. Many people they are having very good handwriting on a paper, but if you give them marker and tell them to write on a whiteboard, and when they are writing on a whiteboard and you are going to observe that, so their handwriting never ever look better, it look too ugly. So this is really a big issue. Let me try to solve this issue for you. So if you analyze, first of all we have to put marker like this. We should put it perpendicular to the whiteboard. And in this video I will try to write an English sentence for all of you, and that sentence containing all the English alphabets. So let me try to write that sentence for all of you. And this sentence is: a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So first of all I will write a. So if you observe this, it's really looking too awesome. So if you want to improve your handwriting on a whiteboard, try to write this sentence again and again with this style, and try to put the marker in your finger with this style and make your hand perpendicular to the whiteboard. And if you're trying to write and practice this sentence again and again, so you will be able to improve your handwriting and everyone will really appreciate your writing. Thanks for watching.